into a new phase in my hair journey that you guys definitely need to keep an eye out for. I've been growing out my hair for 3 years, and for the first 2, I was very focused on length. I just wanted my hair to hang. I wanted it to drop as low as possible. But now I don't really care about that anymore. And that's not to flex or anything, because I truly believe that anyone can reach this hair length, no matter your hair texture, as long as you're consistent with it. But you spend so much time in anticipation of the day that your hair gets a certain length and you're able to do certain things with it, that when that day comes, you're not necessarily disappointed, but it's kind of underwhelming. And that applies to so many other things in life, whether it's money, whether it's the amount of subscribers or followers that you get. If you're waiting for your hair to be a certain length to be happy, you're going to end up disappointed. You need to be able to find happiness with the length you're at right now. So in this phase that I'm heading into, I'm trying to learn how to just appreciate the hair that I have while I still got it. And not only that, but to focus on the health of my hair, not necessarily the length. Making sure my hair is moisturized, making sure that I'm trimming off those ends. These ends gotta go, bro. It's been too long. Oiling my scalp, making sure, just hitting the works, okay? It's not all about length, Try and make sure that your hair is healthy as well. And as a byproduct, your hair will get longer.